Hello everyone, let's learn about menu engineering. First, let's know what is menu engineering. Menu engineering is the study of profitability and probability of the menu items. It is also the combination of analysis of your ingredient cost and sales number. The objective of the menu engineering is to maximize the business profitability by encouraging customers to buy what you want them to buy. This is how to make menu engineering. This figure shows 4 different categories. Before we categorize, all these calculations need to be done. They are contribution margin, total food cost, total food sale, total contribution margin, and average contribution margin.
This is to calculate the contribution margin, which is menu price minus food cost. That is total food cost equal to food cost times amount items sold. Then, to calculate food sales, the menu price is multiplied by amount items sold. For total contribution margin, total food sales is minus total food cost. Lastly, average contribution margin is equal to total contribution margin divided by total amount sold.
The table shows the amount of sold, item food cost, and item selling price for each menu items. Next is calculate the item contribution margin.
After that, calculate the total cost. Then, calculate the total food sales. Lastly, calculate the total contribution margin. After all those calculations, we can define the popularity and profitability. According to Wiley, Book of the Restaurant from Concept to Operation, 6th edition, at least 70% to define popularity. Example from the table, to calculate defined popularity is 100% divided by 4, then 70 times 25% divided by 1000 is equal to 175 number of food sold. For profit category, average contribution margin is equal to total contribution margin divided by total food sales. Example from the table, 3493.8 is divided by 1000 equal to 3.4938. If the menu item profit is less than average contribution margin, then the profit category is low and vice versa.
Earlier, we have calculated the average item food sold. If the amount sold is higher than average item food sold, it categorized as high and vice versa.
This is the result for the profitability according to the calculation of average contribution margin that we have calculated before. For item 1, the average contribution margin is higher than contribution margin, so the profitability is low.
After identify the popularity and profitability, we can categorize the menu item into menu category.
For the item that has high popularity but low profitability, it goes into low host category.
While menu item that low popularity but high profitability, we group it into puzzle category. Besides, menu item which is high in popularity and profitability and low in popularity and profitability, we categorize into star and dot category respectively.
Hopefully, you can understand about menu engineering. Thanks for watching.